Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are diving into a powerful new trading indicator we have developed, and we will be uncovering a highly effective trading strategy. This strategy has a great win rate, and I am excited to show you how it can help you make a smarter trading decision. So let's get started. So first I visit tradingview.com, and in here I select the asset as a Bitcoin USDT from here, and now I have to select the time frame, so it's 5 minutes is better, and you can trade with any time frame because I already checked this strategy is very suitable with any kind of time frame. You can use 5 minutes for scalping and others higher time frame for long time profit. So now I have to add the indicator, and this indicator is not available in trading views. So for get access the indicator you have to visit Trade Cleverly. So I simply write here Trade Cleverly, and you can see our website name is tradecleverly.com. so simply click here, and after visit our website you have to scroll down, and you can see from our file section you will get access our indicator. In here you can see 5 number indicator. The indicator name is Pulse Pro. So I simply click, and now I have to copy all the code. So I simply copy all the code, and now come back to trading view, and here from Find Editor I simply paste all the code in here and simply add to chart. Once I add to chart, you can see Pulse Pro by Trade Cleverly is activated. So now I have to change some setting for better understanding and purify and filter the signal. So I simply go the Pulse Pro setting. I just simply uncheck everything except our plots background, and from input for 5 minute time frames I select the time frame 30 and simply OK to save. Alright, we are successfully add and setting up our today's powerful indicator. So this indicator is very easy to understand. Here is just only two color, red color and green color. When the red color appeared, that means the market is bearish and it could be down, and when the green color is appeared, that means the market is bullish and it's going to up. So now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal using this Pulse Pro indicator and one technical tools. So it's very simple, but it's a really high win rate confirm. Let's see how we can generate buy and sell signal using the Pulse Pro indicator. So I want to start from previous, so I can start from here, and let's see how we can generate buy and sell signal. Okay, for example your price is now here. Okay, so which one is your last swing high? This one, right? And now your price is come here, and again from here is going there, so it's your recent swing low and it's your recent swing high, right? So now you have to just look when the price is successfully break the recent swing high or recent swing low. In here you can see the price is trying to break but fail, and here successfully the price is break the swing high. And also you can see in here we get signal from our Pulse Pro indicator, and it's told us it's going to a bullish market. So you can take buy position here, and your stop loss will be recent below swing low, and your first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and your second profit target could be 2 times from the stop loss. So if you don't have any risk management knowledge, you should avoid the second profit target. So you can see in here in this trade the price is successfully hitting our profit target 1, and it's count as a successful trade. So now let's see what's happened in next. So you can see in here the price is go down. Okay, and here it's a new recent swing low, and the prices go there, recent swing high, new recent swing high, and the price is going here, but you can see in here the prices failed to break the swing high. Again come here, and here you can see the prices successfully break the recent swing low. So in here you can take sell position, because you can see from Pulse Pro indicator the movement is bearish, red movement in here. You can take sales position here, and your stop loss will be above recent swing high, and first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. As you can see, the price is successfully hitting our profit target 1 and profit target 2, and it's count as another successful trade. So now let's see what's happened in next. In here you can see the prices go down, swing low, new recent swing low, then the prices go up and down. You can see this is recent swing high, again the prices go down, go back, and you can see it's recent swing high. And when you will find new recent swing high, you should not count previous swing high. So I simply delete this swing high, and here you can see another recent swing low, so we avoid this swing low. And from now you can see the price is trying to break the swing high but fail, and here you can see the price is successfully crossing the swing high, and here you can see another swing low, so we can change the swing low in here, and we can take buy position here. Why we can take buy position here? Because you can see from Pulse Pro indicator we get the green signal, that means the market is going to up. We just take buy position here, and we are use as a stop loss in recent swing low, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. As you can see, the price is successfully hitting our profit target 1 and profit target 2, and it's count as another successful trade. So now let's see what's happened in next. So in here a lot of drawing, I think you are confused, so I simply remove all that drawing, and from here our price you can see go down, and it's our recent swing high. Alright, and go down, go up, and it's our recent swing low, and let's see what's happened. Alright, and here the prices go down, the swing high is changed to here, and from here the prices go up, and also the swing low is changed, so I simply changed in here, and now you can see the price is going down, going up, again change the swing low, so I simply change the swing low in here, and also you can see another create a new swing high. Alright, and here you can see the price is ranging, so not making not making new swing high and swing low. And after then in here you can see the price is successfully crossing up and break our recent swing high, so that we can take buy position here, because you can see also we get green bullish signal from Pulse Pro indicator, so we take buy position here, and our stop loss will be below recent swing low, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and our second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. So let's see what's happened in next. Wow, you can see the price is after then successful hit our profit target 1, then again also hit our profit target 2. So it's count as another successful trade. So now let's see what's happening next. So I think the drawing is confused us, so I simply remove the drawing, and from here let's see what's happened. You can see the price is again go down in here, new swing low. Alright, and it was our recent swing high, and you can see the price is successfully crossing up our swing high, and also the market move is bullish. We received the signal from pulse pro indicator, so I simply take a long position here, and the stop loss is below recent swing low, and the first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. So after then you can see the price is successfully hitting our profit target 1. Then in here you can see the price is again go up and create a new swing high. So I simply change the swing high to here and making another swing low. In here you can see the price is successfully crossing down our swing low, but we don't take sell position. Why? Because you can see the bullish movement is green. That means the market has a chance to go up, so that we cannot take the short position or sell signal in here. So we will just see what's happened in next. In here you can see the price is come here and again make another swing low. So we just simply change the swing low in here, and you can see in here the market is make another recent swing high. So also we are change the swing high in here. Then you can see the price is successfully again crossing down our swing low, and the market is bearish, and the signal received from our pulse pro indicator. So now we can take sell position here without any hesitation, and our stop loss will be recent swing high, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and our second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. So as you can see, the price is successfully hitting our profit target 1 and profit target 2. So it's count as another successful trade. Hope you understand how you can generate buy and sell signal with a very simple but high win rate strategy, and its risk and reward ratio is very good. I checked it myself. So thanks for watching and happy trading.